Ndewono. Welcome to Igbo-dimma channel. No, what we'll be doing today is talking about family members in Igbo. We all know family is very, very important. It's important in our society. It's what forms people. That's where people, are brought up, and it's not like it just makes you who you are. So family is very important. Now, what do we call family in Igbo? Kedu ihe anyị na-akpọ family n'Igbo? Family is ezinụlọ. 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 Now let's look at members of the family in Igbo. At the end of this lesson, at the end of this video, we're going to make sentences using this using names of family members. So make sure you stay till the end, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Now start with the head of the family. Of course, the head of the family is the father. Father in Igbo is nna. 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 You can hear the sound na. Nna. Now in some places, some people say papa, papa, or you can hear mpa, mpa. Next one is mother. Mother is nne. Nne. Again, nne. Nne. Make sure you're following the pronunciation. Pronounce it the same way I'm doing. Nne. So father is nna. Nna. Mother is nne. Nne. Like I said before, some people also say mama, mother, mama, mama, or say ma, ma. Now the next one, child. Child. Child in Igbo is nwa. 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 It's easy, right? Nwa. So now you've known the three major components of a family: father, mother, child. Nna, nne, nwa. Now let's form sentences using these names. My father is reading a book. Nnam na-agụ akwụkwọ. Nnam na-agụ akwụkwọ. So to personalize this, my father, my mother, my child. My father, nnam. Nnam. So just add the at the end. Nna. Nnam. So father, nna. My father, nnam. Same thing goes to mother. Mother, nne. Nne. My mother, nnem. Nnem. Child, nwa. Nwa. My child, nwam. 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 I don't want to make this video very long. I just want to make it bite-sized so that it will be easy to go through it and learn. So let's continue with the examples. So I'll just be giving one example each for each of the words. So father, My father is working. Nna m na-arụ ọrụ. Nna m na-arụ ọrụ. So ọrụ is work. My father is working. Nna m na-arụ ọrụ. My mother is washing clothes. My mother is washing clothes. My mother is doing laundry. Nne m na-asụ akwa. Nne m na-asụ akwa. Nne m na-asụ akwa. Cloth akwa. Akwa. Nne m na-asụ akwa. My child is sleeping. My child is sleeping. Nwa m na-arahụ ụra. Nwa m na-arahụ ụra. Nwa m na-arahụ ụra. So sleep means ụra. Ụra. Nwa m na-arahụ ụra. Let me just add a few more examples for people that want to, learn more. My father is huge. Nna m gbara agba. Nna m gbara agba. My mother is tall. Nne m toro ogologo. Nne m toro ogologo. My child is small. Nwa m pere mpe. Nwa m pere mpe. Let me know what part of this video was more beneficial to you and what you would like to see next. Kemesiano.